Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, remove batteries and unplug the controller. This prevents shorts while you work. Once done, remove the visible screws with the correct Torx bit, then use a plastic pry tool to split the shell slowly to avoid breaking clips. Make sure to note screw locations and ribbon cable positions as you open it. You need a clean, static-free surface and good lighting. You will see the stick modules. Don't touch contacts yet. Prepare tools and cleaning materials so you can proceed safely. Once the PCB is exposed, lift it enough to access the joystick potentiometers without stressing ribbon cables. You will clean the pots. Dip a swab in 90% plus isopropyl and gently rotate the stick through its full range, wiping along the pot edges and contact area to remove grime that causes drift. Make sure to work in short bursts and replace swabs as they get dirty. Inspect solder joints and plastic detents for wear. If contacts are corroded or loose, plan to reflow or replace the pot modules. You reassemble by carefully reseating the PCB, reconnecting ribbon cables, and tightening screws evenly. Do not over-torque. Once reassembled, reinstall batteries and power the console, then perform calibration or use an in-console dead zone test and sweep the stick slowly to verify response. If small drift remains, repeat cleaning once more. If drift persists after 2 cleanings, replace the joystick module entirely and solder in the new unit. Troubleshooting tip: if new modules
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.